I want to come and pizza. Okay, that's it, guys. That is the dance for Davido's new song, currently trending on whether it's on Instagram, on TikTok, whatsoever app you are streaming on it right now, it's trending there. So now this is the dance tutorial. Please subscribe down below, like this video, comment if you find this video interesting, comment what step you want to learn. I really appreciate that for my next video. Now, the first step is kege. Now, during the time you are hearing those kege, the bass shouting kege, just like this. Kege. Listen. So do like this. How about I do like two side movements? 1, 2. So that's what we need. Shake your body sideways by crossing your hands like this. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's do one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kege. So something like that. That is the first step. Now the next step after that is Obio. The next you face your side and you start add 1, 2. This hopping leg work. Of course, like all of these tutorials over here. I'll put the link in the description box down below. Tutorial. So it's side leg work, facing your side and bring your 1, 2. So it's I want to have it all. Are you in, guys? So it's I want to have it all. For you can face the other side to more convenient using your right hand. So it's I want to have it all. Still they find my result. I see you, guys. So it's pointing the screen is I want to have it all. Still they find my result. Still they find my result. I sing, so it's I want to have it all. Still they find my result. Why bouncing? That's when you point. Still they, once you hear it, still they, you point your hands forward. So it's I want to have it all. Still they find my reserve. I sing, guys. Remember, you are doing this tutorial with the song. So I'm doing this tutorial with the song. So let's go and start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kege. I want to have it all. Still they find my result. Now God did all. Sing, guys. So after the I want to have it all. So I want to have it all. Still they find my result. Now God did do all. So continue the dance again. Then chest. Listen, guys, chest. Once you do this, so once you bounce, chest. So it's first of all, 30 seconds. That is 5, 6 from this point of I want to have it all. 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to have it all. Still they find my result. Now God they do all. Listen, guys, so it's now God they do it all. Then you continue the bouncing. See they find themselves. So from here, We're going to own the song because I've not learned the full lyrics of the song, but we're gonna go through, guys. So let's go from the start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kege, 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 kege. Obio. Yes.
What's by your time? What is by your time?
1:35. So guys, now from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kege, 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 kege. Obio. I want to Obio. Still they find my result. Now God they do it all. Take the time and it up. I think, guys. So after you use this one, you do this one. The once more 2, 1, 2. So you do 2 more. After this, you go 2 more times. 1, 2. I think 1, 2. After this one is from I want to have it all. 5, 6, 7, 8. So I want to have it all. Still they find my result. Now God they do them all. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. So you do this one 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's the next step. After the bouncy. 1, 2, 3. Remember, it's an easy step. Let me show you guys facing the front. So it's 1, 2, 3. So you have to take your right and left leg forward and backward. 1, 2, 3. So it's simultaneously. So it's 6 times. It's 1, 2, 3. That's it. 1, 2, 3. That's what I'm doing, guys. So now I'm doing it facing sideways. So it's 1, 2, 3. That's good, guys. Now let's do it from the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. I want to have it all. Still they find my result. Now God they do it all. Still they find my result. I think, guys. So that's where that step comes in. Now after that step, let's do this. You climb forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow me, guys. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Facing you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Face. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are tipping 2, guys. Be on your tips. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. So what I'm doing is facing forward march. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So doing from the start from I want to have it all. Let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go. I want to have it all. Still they find my result. Not God they do them all. I think, guys. So that is 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. Forward. You go forward. Now, after you do 1, 2, 3, you bounce. Facing your front. Facing your front. So that's the end of the dance challenge, guys. That's the end of the tutorial. So that's it on the beginning once more. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, guys. If you are watching this dance tutorial I know you love it, so click on the subscribe button, like this video guys, and share it to your friends to see this dance tutorial also. So let's go ahead and start with the dance challenge. Now from the start, 5, 6, 7, 8. KG, 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 KG. Obio, let's go. I want to have it all. See they find my result. Now go they go. See they find my result. Let me touch it. So that's it guys. In case as if I need difficult, just put I would have danced it in slow motion, but I don't want to waste your guys' time. I don't want to make this video to be too long. I want to be short, precise as possible. So you can just slow the video and you get the concept guys. Every step along the way, just do them one after the other, then you match everything together later on. So you get the full concept. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I post a video. And I'll be doing live frequently guys, so make sure to join my live stream guys. I will also be teaching some dance tutorial over there. My live stream guys. It's trending guys, this song is trending, so you are free to do the video. You are free to do the video. Remember to watch this 2 videos over here. Watch the videos over here. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So peace.